Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, weight loss, and fat burning methods. The kidneys are extremely important organs. These natural filters help remove extra water and toxins from the blood, stimulate RBC production, and control blood pressure. But sadly, most of us take these vital organs for granted. According to the National Kidney Foundation, millions of people are affected by kidney disease. Besides the high treatment cost, the excruciating pain your body and loved ones will go through is unimaginable. So, start taking care of now. Here is a list of foods for a healthy kidney you should add to your diet. Swipe up. 1. Water. Cal 0, protein 0 grams, fat 0 grams, carbs 0 grams. Water is a miracle potion. It has the power to bring you back to health. But do not go overboard. The recommended amount of water to be consumed every day is 8 glasses for women and 13 for men. It is best to consult your doctor to understand how many glasses of water you should drink per day depending on the condition of your kidneys and daily activity. 2. Cabbage. Cal 22, protein 1 gram, fat 0 grams, carbs 5 grams. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable that is packed with phytochemicals. The antioxidants present in it help scavenge the harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing the risk of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and renal dysfunction. Cabbage is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, but not the ones that are potentially harmful to the kidneys. 3. Red bell pepper. Cal 46.2, protein 1 gram, fat 0 grams, carbs 9 grams. Red bell peppers are good for kidney health as they are low in potassium. They also add color and taste to the dish, along with vitamins C, B6, A, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers contain the antioxidant lycopene that offers protection against some types of cancer. You can add red bell peppers to tuna, chicken salad, or just have them raw. 4. Onion. Cal 64, protein 2 grams, fat 0 grams, carbs 15 grams. Onion breath might be a turn-off, but onions help keep your kidneys properly functioning. They contain flavonoids and quercetin that prevent the deposition of fatty material in the blood vessels. Quercetin is an antioxidant that can reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Onions are kidney-friendly and low in potassium. They also contain chromium that helps metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. 5. Asparagus. Cal 27, protein 3 grams, fat 0 grams, carbs 5 grams. Asparagus is low-cal and loaded with vitamins A, K, and C. In hypertensive rats, asparagus had shown to preserve renal function. But it is a little on the higher side in minerals like potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. So, you must talk to your doctor before consuming asparagus. You can grill it or blanch with other kidney-friendly foods for dinner or lunch. 6. Garlic. Cal 203, protein 9 grams, fat 1 gram, carbs 45 grams. Like onions, garlic has a pungent smell. However, it is one of the most potent herbal medicines. Plus, it helps enhance the flavor of foods to which it is added. Researchers have found significant evidence that garlic juice, along with metformin, a drug prescribed for diabetes type 2 patients, showed renoprotective effects. 7. Cauliflower. Cal 25, protein 2 grams, fat 0 grams, carbs 5 grams. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly cruciferous superfood that is a rich source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber. It also contains compounds that are important for the liver and neutralize toxic substances in the body. Cauliflower can be consumed boiled, blanched, raw, as a dip, or in salads. 8. Apples. Cal 65, protein 0 grams, fat 0 grams, carbs 17 grams. Apple is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce bad cholesterol, heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Since diabetes is closely related to renal failure, consuming apples can help protect you from kidney problems. Apples can be eaten raw or cooked. You can also make a tasty beverage. 9. Cranberries. Cal 51, protein 0 grams, fat 0 grams, carbs 13 grams. Cranberry juice is a popular home remedy for urinary tract infection (UTI). Due to its antioxidant properties, it is a great natural antibiotic that prevents any bacterial growth in the digestive tract or the kidneys. A research study showed that cranberries had the potential to treat calcium oxalate kidney stones. Always consume fresh cranberries or use fresh ones to make juice. However, do not drink too much of it to prevent overworking the kidneys. 10. Fatty fish. Cal 175 protein 19 grams fat 10 grams carbs 0 grams. Fish is a high-quality source of protein and polyunsaturated fatty acids (PUFA). Among the components of PUFA are omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for reducing inflammation, scavenging free oxygen radicals, preventing heart disease, lowering LDL cholesterol, and protecting the kidneys. Scientists have found that consuming fish PUFAs can slow down the progression of kidney disease. Research also suggests to avoid consuming blue bobo, parrot sandbass, and yellowed, and instead consume yellowtail snapper, broomtail grouper, and southern flounder. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.